In the meantime, the deceased woman's family is challenging the police's account surrounding their loved one's death. Rashida Walker has the details.
The family of 41-year-old Satania Booth, also known as Chun Chun, says the circumstances surrounding her death do not align with the picture being presented publicly. They're questioning why the authorities have not provided them with more information about the incident, contending they have been met with what they describe as a lack of respect and communication.
I went to the station last night and a police came to talk to me, but he's a newbie. And I don't know, there's other police that called him and he did not come back out. And I went around to the side where the CIB office is, and I saw a lot of police there. They were drinking, and I went there and I was talking to them and they were willing to listen. When I tell them about the accident, they start disrespect me. They all call me gal. They ask me what I do around here, so when I come around here so far, if you go on around the front and then disrespect me.
They say Booth was the mother of 9 children, ranging from 4 to about 29 years old. The family also acknowledges that she knew the people in the vehicle she had asked for a ride.
Chun Chun a girl is throwing partner. Having money, she a plan her big dance. Because she did left some money. She have her money in her bag where she just all come pick up a mandeville and sitting. She ain't no criminal. Chun Chun is a hard saver. That the girl know if he ban him belly and save him money. He buy and do anything at all he want. Yes, he might in at the wrong company at the wrong time, but it's a drive she beg.
They stress that they are not seeking special treatment, but are demanding transparency and a thorough investigation into the events that led to her death. The family say they are devastated by the loss, especially the younger children who are struggling to understand what happened. They believe their relative's reputation has been unfairly affected by claims made before the family received clear answers.
The only thing they said to my sister that we have to pay back for every shot what she get. We have to pay back for every shot we get. Listen to me. If you grow in the community and ask, my mother is not a troublemaker. My mother is a loving woman. My mother is a loving woman.
Kindness and the best auntie in the world.
Please, just want to know what happened with the truth. Don't contact me, the police them not talk. Don't just contact me. Set up my mind, give me closure. Because everybody know what kind of person my mother be. What they gonna want to see is what they shoot out there.
Rashida Walker for TVJ News.